Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 17. In this video I'll show you how to enable and use eye tracking. To activate eye tracking function, first let's go to settings and next let's go to accessibility. Enter eye tracking and switch this button on. Here's the eye tracking camera that you have to scan your eye movement with. Right now we have to follow the dot with our eyes to calibrate eye tracking function. Once eye tracking is calibrated, as you can see on the screen, we've got the dot that follows our eyes. To disable this function, simply switch this button off. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.